All right, team, we're back for another start to a new trimester, and we want to track our academic and career readiness grade progress. So what we're going to do is we're going to track this student. It's a real student. We're going to track their English 10A grade. So right now they have a D in English 10 at a 65%. So if I go back to this, which will be up in your classroom, if I look, a D is a 1.00 GPA. So if I bring that up, I'm going to go and I'm going to plot my first point at 1.00, and the date is 4/20, so I'll put the period right there. And underneath it, we're going to drag, or you guys are actually going to write, the actual GPA score, which is a 1.00. So that's pretty easy. There's no calculation needed for the academic GPA. Now for the career readiness grade GPA, remember we've got to add each of the 4 character values up and divide by 4 to find the average. So if we look, we're going to track English 10A. So right now, this student has a 4, a 4, a 4, and a 4, which is actually a pretty easy one. If we add 4 times 4, it gives us 16. And then if we divide by 4, that actually gives us 4, which tells me that their GPA is a 4.0 for their career readiness grade. So I'll plot that point at 4/20, and then I'll slide the 4.00 up beneath it. So that's all we have to do today. I do want to remind you that this is a new trimester, so we want to make sure we put our name up here, and then put the class, and then what period you have that class. As a reminder, you're going to do one of these sheets for each of your classes. You will not do one sheet for all of your classes. You need one sheet for each of your classes. That's just how we do it. We've got our 4.0 and our 1.0. What I think is going to happen is as we go through this trimester and as we track this student, we're going to see that their career readiness grade is going to pull their academic GPA up. As long as they stay at that 4.0, I think that their academic grade will follow. If you have any questions, make sure to check with your advisor. Enjoy tracking.